The Olympia Tools SD36Li 3.6 volt lithium ion cordless screwdriver is ideal for a wide range of everyday projects around the home, workshop or office. The integrated 3.6 volt 1.3 Ah battery has a 3 to 5 hour charge time. Plus, there's a charge level indicator to let you know when the battery is running low. The 6.3mm 1/4-inch chuck accepts all standard screwdriver bits, whilst the 3N of torque ensures greater efficiency when driving screws into different materials. The tool has a pivot handle for greater flexibility when working in confined spaces, plus automatic spindle lock for manually tightening or loosening screws. The built-in LED work light is ideal for working in darker areas, whilst the soft grip handle ensures comfortable working. The product is supplied with a charger plus 4 screwdriver bits.